Here's a recap for all our tips for the week. Here's how to insert a substring into the middle of a list of column names. Here's an example. First, import pandas. Here's an example data frame. Now do df.columns equals call.rsplit underscore comma 1 bracket 0, which splits the string on the first underscore from the right and takes the first part of the split string, plus underscore a underscore plus call.rsplit underscore comma 1 bracket 1, which takes the second part of the split string, then loop over all columns with for call in df.columns. And that's it. Here's how to do some forecasting in Python. First, import NumPy. Then, import Pandas. Then, import Matplotlib. Then, import ARIMA from stats models. Here's an example data frame. Then, set model to ARIMA df sales order equals 111 to set the ARIMA parameters. Then fit the model using model.fit. Then forecast the next 5 steps by setting future steps to 5 and say forecast equals model fit forecast steps equals future steps. Then plot the result by setting the figure size, plot df sales, plot the forecast, plot the legend, set the title, and then show the plot. And that's it. Let me know what you want to see next. And like and subscribe to my new channel, please. Okay, bye.